Dear inter and final CS students, I am sure you are busy with your studies. By now you would have prepared well. However, the condition is not good as the second phase of COVID-19 has affected the entire country. There are serious concerns about health and life of people. State governments have declared lockdowns in various states. It is not possible to commence inter and final CA exams on 21st May as scheduled. Examination committee has decided to postpone inter and final CA exams. New dates will be announced later and you will be given at least 25 days time from the date of declaration of new date. In the meantime, be positive and keep studying. Wishing you all the best for your exams. Thank you.